In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set photos as a screensaver in Windows 11. Fix today here. Let's begin. If you'd like to turn your favorite pictures into a screensaver slideshow, Windows 11 includes a built-in photo screensaver option that makes this easy to set up. Start by clicking the search icon on your taskbar. In the search box, type Change Screensaver, then select Change Screensaver from the search results. When the Screensaver settings window opens, click the Screensaver drop-down menu and select Photos from the list. Next, click the Settings button. In the Photos Screensaver settings window, find the Use Pictures from section and click Browse. Navigate to the folder that contains the photos you want to use for your screensaver. Once you've found the folder, select it and click OK. Now choose your preferred slideshow speed using the Slideshow Speed drop-down menu. If you'd like the photos to appear in a random order, enable the Shuffle Pictures option. Once you're happy with the settings, click Save. You'll return to the Screensaver settings window. Here, locate the wait field and enter the amount of idle time you want Windows to wait before starting the screensaver. Next, click Preview to test the screensaver. Verify that your selected photos appear correctly and that the slideshow behaves the way you expect. To exit the preview, simply move your mouse or press any key on your keyboard. If everything looks good, click Apply, then click OK to save your changes. To confirm the screensaver is working, leave your computer idle for the amount of time you selected in the wait field and allow the screensaver to start automatically. Your Windows 11 computer will now display a personalized screensaver featuring the photos stored in your selected folder. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you on the next video.